deep. Rolling with tube, you guys. Guys, in the tube deep. 6:30 a.m. on Friday. Look at this. Too deep. Got the beach surf limit tuber title report. Marine room. It's out of control, you guys. Look at this. I'm sure it's going to go over the wall. Too deep. 360 cam, you guys. Let's see what the water temp is. Hold on. Indian sea foam, you guys. Water's not too bad. Oh, here we go. Shit. You get swamped by sea foam. Shit. Oh, fuck. Am I gonna get soaking wet here, you guys? Christ. Alright, I stayed dry. Whoa. There we go. Look at this. Woo.
The sea was angry that day, my friends.
Okay, so here's the deal with the surf. We've got a ton of water coming and going, almost 8 feet worth, exactly 8 feet worth. High tide at 7:44 this morning, so we're about an hour and 15 minutes away. This is the marine room camera. Usually during this report, we see Ozzy on the beach and he's flying his remote control planes. There's nobody on the beach. There is no beach there right now. It's a west swell, 4 to 6 feet, 7-foot sets coming in. It's a washing machine, high risk, rip current, small craft advisory, beach hazard statement, and the water temperature 58 to 61 degrees. Are you ready to see something really pretty? Let me get out of the way so you can see this. Whoa! It is gorgeous outside this morning.
Heading down to check the beach. It's super windy. There's I think it's a Susan B. Komen march walk. I'm stuck behind a bus going like ultra slow, stopping. This guy in the Lexus is afraid to go around the bus. He should be driving a Prius. Seriously. Remember that, Dad? Stay within the lines. That's this guy right here. Stuck, you guys. As always, guys, I've got a tight window. You know, this bus cost me already like 2 or 3 minutes. It's like clean LNG. For God's sakes, you serious? I'll never get through.
How dare you!
Sorry, I gotta go around. Oh my God. hashtag in that group? Finally got free, you guys. You guys, driving in La Jolla can be the most frustrating thing you ever do. You're always behind either a Prius going 2 miles an hour, dump truck, some truck that doesn't know where he's going. Like this guy, man. Seriously, he had to just beat me to the intersection. It's unreal. I can't even get around the guy. There we go. Free at last. All right. It's so windy, you guys. I figured nobody would be on the beach, right? Of course, yesterday was, the last 3 days were beautiful, and I got my spot. I got my spot. Yeah. Look at that. Sweet. Got my spot, you guys. Got my battery. Remember my battery. Remembered my foam tack, you guys. I broke this thing yesterday. Shoot. Alright, I gotta get underneath. This morning! It was awesome this morning. It was epic this morning. Waves crashing into the window. Alright, you guys, look at there's people in my runway. The tide's way too high. It didn't come down yet. Oh my god, it's way too windy. Oh shit. Morning, how you going? Windy. Little windy. Might be too windy. Oh shit. Coming through. Coming through. Oh, wow, look at that. Looks like it's a little windy right here. Guys, in the tube deep on a super windy beach. Pretend which way the wind going. Kind of at my back right now. Tide's going down, but it's ultra windy. Oh my god, is this worth it? I don't know. Definitely have to gear down. Yeah, I know, this is crazy, you guys, I know. Guys, let's see what happens. Way up there. Is it going to come back, you guys? I don't know. Look at that. Oh my god, it's never going to come down, you guys. Like literally. It's not going to come down. Woo! Yeah, you guys, can you believe it? Whoa. Through the wash. Unreal. Tube survives. Am I recording? I better have been recording that. Am I recording? Yes! Woo! Tube survives Greta, you guys! Cut! L39 survives. Windy day, crazy day. The tube deep on the beach. All right, you guys, in the tube deep on the beach. 360 cam. All right, you guys got great whiskers, man. Jesus, getting old sucks, you guys. Flew today, the L39 survives, you guys. How cool is that? Can't believe it. It's super windy. Borealis effect for our mates down under. Wankers know who you are. Let's do it. You guys, last report from my beach. Got a few straggler beachgoers walking into my runway. Luckily I'm done. Nobody came in. Would have been really hectic. That's it, you guys. Came, I saw, I conquered. Beautiful day after the wind. It's still windy. Let's do it. Oh man, it's wet underneath. God, the wind. You can barely hold the... Oh, yeah. Beachgoers coming in. L39 has the right of way for sure, you guys. L39 coming through.
All right.
The beach is all yours now.
Thank you.
It's almost to yourselves. It's soaking wet on the bottom, you guys. I gotta get it.
Try not to get run over. Ah. Tail straight, wing straight. That's why you have wing straights, right, guys? Uh-oh.
How dare you?